We're doing an installation on the 45 SC, and it's coming out pretty good here. What we got is we had to pull it back. This had to be side mounted because we had the well for your intake well for your gasoline in the way, and sometimes when we don't have it, of course, there's no problem mounting in the back at all, but in this case we had to make some modifications. So what we did is we pulled it in the back and we made proper distances between this side and there, and also the tank will come in from this far enough to put a reel in, so it won't be an issue, you know, with as far as putting the reel in behind the driver's seat. So this is all going to work out good, and we're putting well, I first started with a pilot hole and a 3/16, and now we're putting a 1/2 inch hole, and we'll put the molly in just as you've seen in previous videos, and then we're going to have the solution reel on this side. The bucket will be on this side so we can reroute the intake chemical feed hose to fit and accommodate on this side, and battery will go back here. So everything's going to come out pretty good. It takes a little bit of finagling, but sometimes you have to work outside the box because every single install is different, makes and models of different vans, and so I think this will work out pretty well. Sometimes you got to do a rear mount, but whatever works, you know. Otherwise, you'd end up having to smash down, which is not something we do. I mean, I've heard of other people doing it, but I really don't like touching the housing. I like to keep it right where it is. But like I said, depending on the wheelbase, sometimes there's nothing here, so it's easily, the tank can easily go behind it with no problem. You'll see in various pictures. You'll see on my various websites, as far as also the Truck Mount Store. Look us up online at Truck Mount Store 24/7 for all our makes and models. And this is going to be a good day today. We'll get this thing in. We'll run it and test it, and the customer will be happy. So anyways,